Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 2 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups. And in today's video, we're going to be covering household supplies. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, jumping right into this video, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded a ton of other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We have a glitch list, we have a huge penny list, we have surprise pennies, all kinds of good stuff going on. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I've also already put out a clearance event video going over all of the different categories and what all is going to be included. Plus, we also went over part 1 of our clearance event visuals, which included paper and laundry products. Now, if you are new to shopping these Dollar General clearance events, or if you have questions about the DG clearance events, make sure that you go back and watch my How to Shop the Dollar General clearance event video. In that video, I answer the most frequently asked questions, plus I include all of my pro tips. You got visuals, all kinds of good information in that video. So that is going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the items that are going to be included in this category. Remember, we're taking a look at household cleaning supplies. Now, I'm going to go ahead and warn you all that this category is absolutely huge, and your girl knows, because I know there are well over 100 slides in this video. Okay, we have a ton of new items that have joined the clearance markdowns, a lot of really good items with coupon matchups. So we do have an absolute ton of amazing deals to look forward to for this weekend. And I will encourage you all, watch the video all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, if you need to pause it so y'all can take some notes, feel free to do that. If you would like to speed up or slow down this video, all you have to do is click the 3 little dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on that. Then go down to playback speed, and then you can speed it up or slow it down however you would like from there. But no matter how you do it, please watch the videos all the way through, because your girl does put in a lot of time and effort into putting these videos together for us each and every clearance event. And if you watch the videos all the way through, it really does help how my videos perform. So thank you guys so much. Now, I've been feeling a little bit under the weather, so instead of talking for the next 6 minutes, I'm just going to turn on a little background music, and I'm going to start working on the next video for you all. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second. What do you guys think about all of these new Swiffer products that are going to be included in this weekend's clearance events? We've got some really good deals with some really good coupon matchups. So I'm really excited, and I hope that you guys are too. And we have now made it to the end of part 2 of our DG clearance event visuals and coupon matchups videos. But y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have another category coming up here soon for y'all. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Turn on those notifications, and before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do all the things. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.